John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. For those of you who were in Chicago, you were able to visit our 143rd booth and saw the Stamp 143rd prototypes. So you're going to get a second look at those, but for those of you who weren't in Chicago, you get a chance to take a look at them. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know that GLM Stamp has been friends of the hobby and supported us in the shows. This show was no different. We got some spectacular 1/18th prototypes and some really nice 1/43rd prototypes. So I'm going to show them all to you and you'll get a chance to take a close look at them. Okay, now these are prototypes, so I'm going to show you some pictures. I'll show you some close-ups of it. Stamp GLM's looking for your comments. They do make adjustments when they need to be made, but I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking here. I'm going to let the pictures speak for themselves. All the information you need to know if you want to order these, pre-order them from your dealer, will be on the screen. Well, there we are. Stamp's newest offerings. They're going to be coming to your dealers real soon. Let your dealers know if you want to pre-order. They're going to be right around $129, so but you're going to want to check on your prices. They are prototypes. If you have comments, leave them below. They'd love to hear from you. I'd like to hear from you too. We got a little bit of a new format here. I'd like to know how you like it. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, give me a like down there in the right-hand corner. Of course, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. I've got a lot of new videos coming down the pipe, so keep your eyes and ears open and tuned to the channel. Thanks for joining us.